They make a field goal or score some points. Jalen Hudson, binalik na. At umatake agad si Jalen. Hangs in the air and puts it in.
Slow down sa scoring, yan ang sabi ni Coach Delta Pineda. At bago pa matapos yung huddle na yun, binulungan din niya si Jalen Hudson telling him, we need you out there.
So the shots that he was getting may be a little bit different.
Paraiso decided not to take it. Katapusan decides to take it. And he hits another three. You know, the last ball is another miss from Strings. And that pass way ahead. Abueva got to it. And Archie.
Nasupalpal yun.
Yeah, he was
Got a hand on that.
Strings is open again. He says, why not? Finally, nakuha ni Justin Strings to break the deadlock. Calvin for three, babawi. Yes! Ihiyawan ang ating mga fans na nandito. Nakaagaw na naman. Pass ahead. Garcia, 3 on none. MJ. Ba?
Or hindi matutuwa ang Terra Firma doon.
Strings one more time. Wants to take on Arana. Gets the basket and hits the deck. And you like that.
Strings, right? Kanina tumira siyang 3 points. Now he's trying to post up against Arana. So for the team as well, nakikita nila yung iba't ibang range or pwedeng panggalingan ng puntos itong si Justin Strings.
So bonus free throw coming up para kay Strings.
Or when to shoot. Kasi kadalasan daw, pag dinodouble team na siya, minsan pinipilit pa niya yung tira. And so they're missing better opportunities for a better shot sa kanyang teammates. So,
This guy's a threat from anywhere. Asks for the screen, goes over to Umali. Extra pass to Strings, who hits the basket. Unselfish play. Nakaagaw na naman ang Terra Firma. Pagkakataon, palakihin ng 2-point lead. Chris Miller, umatake, supalpal ni Balti. At nagdadala pa ng bola si Balti. Iniwan kay Juan. Cruising in for the layup. And he gets slapped on the arm by Strings. Ang nakita mo, akit ka ng one arm lang. Di mo one hand lang. Di man lang binitbit muna ng konti yung bola. Tinago. Ito na naman. Juan. Iniwan na lang ni Strings. Ayaw niya maulit yung nangyari kanina.
Tignan niya agad din kung sino yung nasa likod niya. So he had that option.
Gusto naman bumawi ni Strings, and that's the way to do it. Bit of a sweeping hook shot over Justin Baltazar. Although nagbintis nga si Juan sa play na yun. Juami leaves it for Brent. Mali bringing up the rear, but atake na rin si Brent. The layup, no go. JD will drop it at the last second, and Balti will get number 2 in this ballgame, which prompts a timeout from the Jeep side. Saktong-sakto yung bagsak ng pasa ni Dungkap.
Tapos just great execution there.
Rather Gio Chu was the one who knocked it out of bounds. So Williams now is handling. That's a 4 if it goes. And it does! 4 para kay Mikey.
Williams, and he gets hot. Alam mo yung mga quarter niya dati sa TNT. Nakaka-20 puntos sa isang quarter.
Bumawi naman sa 3 si Juami Thompson. So all of a sudden. Pero biglang humataw after that. Oh!